Hey everyone, it's MBJN. Feeling bored and looking for a fun project? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the awesome world of 3D printing, and I'm going to show you how to create some super cool gadgets that are both practical and awesome. Get ready to unleash your creativity and let's get printing. First up, let's talk about personalized keychains. You can design and print keychains in any shape or size you can imagine. Want a keychain of your favorite video game character? Done. Need a keychain with your initials on it? Easy peasy. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to add a touch of personality to your everyday carry. Next, let's tackle a phone stand. We all use our phones constantly, so why not make a custom stand that's perfect for watching videos or video chatting? You can even design it to hold your phone at the perfect angle for taking selfies. It's a simple project that can make a big difference in your daily life. Now let's get organized. A 3D printed desk organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your workspace tidy. You can customize compartments for pens, pencils, paper clips, and all your other desk essentials. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more efficient and productive you. Want to add some flair to your walls? 3D printing makes it easy to create stunning wall art. You can print intricate designs, geometric patterns, or even your own custom artwork. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and add a unique touch to your home decor. Last but not least, let's challenge ourselves with a 3D printed puzzle. You can design and print interlocking pieces that form a brain-teasing puzzle. It's a fun activity for all ages and a great way to put your spatial reasoning skills to the test. Plus, it's super satisfying to see the puzzle come together. So there you have it. 5 awesome gadgets you can easily create with a 3D printer. I hope this video has inspired you to get creative and start printing your own amazing creations. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy printing.